Hey guys, how's everybody? My name is Corina and welcome to my channel. I have seen everywhere the HelloFresh, the meal subscription box, and I want to try so many times, but I wasn't sure if I want to try it or if I don't want to try it. And because I was having so many coupons code and all this like half price and stuff, I decided to try it. So this is gonna be my unboxing HelloFresh box, and I'll tell you the prices before I'm gonna open the box. For 2 people in a budget plan for a week, so it's not monthly, I'm sorry, it's gonna be a weekly subscription box. It's $8.99 per serving and $6.99 for shipping. And the classic plan, it's $8.99 also per serving and $6.99 per shipping. It's a little bit pricey. A family, it's a little bit different. It's saying that it's $7.87 per serving and $6.99 per shipping. And that's like 2 people, 2 recipes or 3 recipes per week. And even you can have 4. It all depends how many you like. And because it was so pricey, I wasn't sure if I want to try it or not. And when I was start having all the coupons code and half price and $60 off from your first 3 weeks, I decided to try it. So I received my box today, and it's nice that if you are not home right in that second when the delivery driver is coming, the box can stay at your door for like 24 hours because it says it's got ice bags inside and stuff. So we're gonna open it up and try it. I'm gonna move the camera a little bit down. So let's see what we got. And you can pick your meal on depends what would you like and what do you want to try it. So okay, let me make sure you guys seeing. So this is the box inside, and here we got a bag, and we got an envelope, and let's see what we got in this envelope right here. So we got all kinds of coupons, I guess. Okay, let's move on. And here we got some kind of bug voucher, I guess. The box is a little bit. So it shows the meals that I picked for this week. I'm gonna move. Oh, sorry. So this is one meal, and here is gonna be the second one. Now I'm gonna put this box right here, and okay. So the bag that's coming in is some kind of paper bag. I don't know how to explain, but you see this kind of bag right here. And we have this. So I guess we are putting by the meals. So if, for example, I got the Mediterranean salmon, and that's gonna be this one right here. You got all the ingredients in this bag, so it's not like just like dump them in a box and you're gonna pick by yourself. You got everything you need for that meal in this bag, and it should be another bag right here. So the second one is maple and rosemary glazed pork cutlets. So this is gonna be the second one. And that was just, I guess, just the veggies. because we have an ice bag on the bottom, and it says, don't forget about your ingredients. They are under the ice bag. So here you got the ice bag. It's still ice in there, so I'm gonna put it somewhere on the side. And here we got salmon, and here we got the meat. Oh, it's leaking. Okay, I need a towel. So I'm not sure if this got a hole or it's water from the ice, but I'm gonna put on top of the towel. So that was everything in the box. It's another ice bag on the bottom, and I'm gonna start with sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open them up. I'm not gonna cook them right away, but I'm gonna open up to show you what we got. So this is the maple and rosemary. Here on the bottom of the picture, I guess, it shows all the ingredients that you should find in your bag beside the salmon, beside the pork, because the pork is coming separate. And here is the steps that you're gonna cook them. It's pretty nice because it shows everything step by step, what you have to do, what you have to cut, what you have to bake or cook. I don't know if it's like if you're gonna get every piece of meat, every veggie and buy separately, it's gonna be cheaper or expensive. I'm gonna go ahead maybe next week and try to see if it's any difference between prices. But I guess for the people who are having a busy schedule and we don't have time to decide what we want for dinner, and we don't have time to go to the store, pick up the products, can be a little bit too much in amount of the products, and then you keep in the fridge, then it's getting bad and you're gonna have to throw it away. So here they give you exactly the portion that you need for your dinner. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this bag. So we should have apple, rosemary, spring mix lettuce, scallions, if I'm saying right, chicken stock, couscous, maple syrup, white wine vinegar, and mayonnaise. So first one, I guess this is scallions, but looks like onions. Well, it says fresh products, but can you see this leaf right here? It's a little bit not that fresh, I can say. Like it's mushy and very soft. And the next one we got mayonnaise. So it's coming in this kind of tiny envelope pouch. We got exact portion of the couscous, and everything is wrapped separately. And then we got maple syrup. Alrighty, that's not what I would like to receive. Okay guys, I saw some videos that people are receiving the freshest products, but mine are not the freshest. Like you can tell, like look in this bag, the spring mix don't look very fresh. So I'm gonna go ahead and let them know and see what we're gonna decide, because this bag of green mix I can go ahead and get from the store, much fresher and not paying that much money for this. Okay, next it's apple. looks good, not bad. Next one, we got the rosemary. Well, rosemary looks okay. I guess it's not a big deal. I had two more. So this is the chicken stock. It's coming right in this, and this should be the white wine vinegar. So it's coming like exactly the portion you need. So I'm gonna throw everything back in the bag, and I open the second one. Okay, I'm gonna put this one on the side, and next one, same story. It shows everything here that you're gonna receive in the bag, and then here it's step by step what you're gonna have to do. Somehow I picked both of my meals with couscous, so I'm gonna have couscous week. Okay, let's see what we got here. Green beans, yeah. We got green beans. Well, the green beans looks better than the green mix, but you can, I mean, that looks alright, I guess. And then we got fresh farm grown dill, and like I said, we are sending you exactly how much you need, not more or less. Or sometime we can, I guess sometime we can send you more. Another bag of couscous, a lemon. Seems to be nice. I mean, not bad lemon. Alright, what we got here? 2 bags of sour cream. And okay, I'm not sure if I'm gonna say it right, but it says za'atar spice. I never heard about it before. I never tried, so we'll see. It's sesame symphony, so we'll see how that's gonna taste. And so the meat, it says that it's got 12 ounces of the meat. Of course, that's for 2 people, so that's 6 ounces of each. I'm gonna put this one in the freezer because I'm not gonna use it right away. And the salmon, okay. And here is 2 bags of salmon, 2 pieces, and it's not says how much so serving size is 4 ounces. And the HelloFresh also, we are watching the portion that you have to eat, so you are not gonna overflow your belly, I guess. You are not gonna overeat what you don't need. So we are saying exactly how much a person has to eat. That sounds right? Yes. And that was everything, and I spent about $19.99, and that's not including the shipping, because shipping it's paying separately. It's like $7.99, $6.99 depends. So I have not paid for my shipping because it's got the discount, and first week or so it's free. So if somebody wanna try it, you can go ahead and try it. I'll link my I'll post my link below if you wanna try like a discount. And thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a good day. Bye.